Hello friends, a very good evening to everybody. In today's video, we are going to see Amazing Garden Series episode 7. In this episode, we are going to see some common basic tips to grow butterfly pea plant or aprajita plant in your terrace garden. This is a easy growing climber variety flowering plant. This plant can be grown by the beginners also. So in this episode, we are going to see some basic and easy tips to grow this plant. Tip number 1 we are going to see is about the variety. So you can choose what plant to grow according to the variety. There are many varieties of this aprajita plant or butterfly pea plant. There are many colors of the flower, that is blue with white color and dark violet color, and like that many colors are there, peach color, pure white color, and many layers of flowers are also there. So according to the necessity, you can choose the plant variety to grow, and all the flowers and all the plants will be really very beautiful and amazing. Tip number 2 we are going to see is about how to grow this plant. You can grow this plant easily if you have at least one plant in your terrace garden. This plant will produce some fruits. When the fruits get dry, you can collect the seeds, sow it in the garden, and you can prepare new saplings and propagate many plants. The next tip we are going to see is about pot size. You can choose a little bit bigger pot than usual. As it's a climber plant, the root will also grow really very big. Grow bag means you can choose 15 cross 18. That will be suitable for growing this plant. If you see in our drumstick pea plant and the nearby croton plant and all, this butterfly pea plant is climbing really very fantastic, and it's covering the total area itself. It's growing really very bushy, so you can self see, and the stem is also really very thick, and the plant is also growing really very big. Now we are going to see about the fertilizer. Monthly once we can give 2 handful of vermicompost, dry leaf compost, mulching, and liquid fertilizer means we can give regularly daily also. No problem on giving liquid fertilizer. It will boost the growth of the plant. But giving mulching during the summer season and monsoon season is really very good for the plant. And you can also prepare kitchen waste compost and give to the plant. Now we are going to see about the pest attack. There is no type of any pest attack in this plant, so this is a best plant for beginner, and you can grow this plant very easily and cool. There is no pest attack to worry about it. The plant will grow as it is, and it will grow really very greenish and bushy, and it will give a very good scenery. So you can still see it's climbing really very big and very long and very height. Now we are going to see another tip. We can grow this butterfly pea plant with other climbing variety flowering plant like almanda and many other varieties, and it will give a beautiful scenery and a color combination. So you can grow this plant along with almanda like that, climbing flowering plant bougainvillea like that and all. Now we are going to see about the health benefits of this plant. This plant is really very good for our health. We can make blue tea with this plant and many other health beneficial items with this plant. So if you grow this plant at your garden, it's really very good for your health also. You can check in other website, and you can correctly and properly make the blue tea and other health benefit item with this plant. Thanks friends, bye, have a nice day, meet you all in the next